Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. I am Sir Bilal and I am going to teach you computer science. Now we will continue the chapter computer software, which is chapter number 7 in your notebook. What is a DOS command? The command is a way of communicating with the computer. DOS commands are used to perform specific tasks which are mostly related to hardware. There are two types of DOS commands: internal commands and external commands. Now moving forward to the internal commands. Internal commands are built into DOS. Once you have started the computer and loaded the disk operating system, you can execute these internal commands anytime you want. Internal commands are always immediately available in memory and cannot be seen in the directory. They are stored in command.com file. Now let's discuss the DOS internal commands. DOS has several internal commands such as dir, cls, date, time, copy, ver, vol, del, type, ren, prompt, md or mkdir, rd or rmdir, cd or chdir, and path. Now let's discuss them one by one. CLS command is an internal command. CLS stands for clear screen, which function is to clear the monitor screen and display the command prompt in the upper left corner of the screen. And dir command is also an internal command, which function is to display a list of all the files of a directory on the screen. Date command is also an internal command which displays the current system date and prompts the user to change the date. Press enter if you do not want to change the current date, or enter a new date and press enter key. Time command is also another internal command, and its function is to display the current system time and also allows to set the time. Copy command is also another internal command, which function is to copy one or more files to another disk or directory. Prompt command is also an internal command, which command is used to change the appearance of DOS prompt to any string of the characters. Del command, which is known as del command. Its type is an internal command and its function is to delete the specified file or all the files within a directory. Wildcards can be used to delete group of files. Ren commands, it is known as rename command. The ren command is also an internal command which uses to change the name of a file or group of files if used with wildcards. Ver command, it is also another internal command which displays the DOS version number. This command informs which version of DOS we are using. Vol command, it is also an internal command which displays volume label of the disk. Type command, it is also another internal command which displays the content of a file on a screen. Type command can be used to examine a DOS text file without modifying it. MD or mkdir command, it is also another internal command which uses to create a new directory. You can use md command to create new subdirectories. cd or chdir command, it is also another internal command which function is to change or display the current directory. RD or RMDIR command. This command removes a directory from a directory structure. Path command, it is also another internal command. The path command searches in a list of specified subdirectories for commands or program files. DOS searches the directories in the path until it finds the command to be executed. Okay students, so this is the end of your lecture. I hope आप लोगों को समझ आया होगा, and we will discuss the remaining topics of this chapter in the upcoming videos. So अगर आप लोगों को कोई क्यूरी हो related to this lecture तो आप लोग नोट डाउन कर लीजिएगा और हम उसको हमारी क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.